number ever. Kevin Byer, the 19, 124W. Matthew Walters. 08, Stephen Hillary. And one more card, I'm not sure who it is. Does it matter? And we're green. They stampede towards turn 1. Oh no! We hit something hard. Wait a minute. He's still going. No, he's still going. Oh, what a trooper. He was still going and they threw the yellow out. He wanted to keep playing. Ah, but he's not moving. It was a good yellow. All right. Okay. All right. Okay. There we go. Don't run over Darrell. Dallas Conniff to the lead. Oh, buddy. Oh, I don't pancake him. Look at this. Oh, no. Oh, no. Ole. Get in. There you go. Stay green. He hit the wall real hard. Matthew Walters at a 124. Cross off. Dallas Conniff, your leader. 6 to go in 6 Mania Heat 3, the final one. Hillary up to 3rd. Trying to catch 2nd spot, Justin Hawkins in 75. 4th is a 718 of Heinrichs. Collins carries on despite the damage in 5th and 3D. Halfway home this time by for Dallas Conniff in 11. Oh boy, they're shucking and jiving for 2nd and 3rd. 3 to go. Conniff getting away as Hillary looks to the bottom for 2nd spot of the 75 of Hawkins. This is where used tires go to die. Couple laps to go. Kind of wiggling in. Everybody wiggles. Wiggle, wiggle into turn 1. Two to go. Conniff still your leader. Hillary still chipping away at 2nd spot to the inside of Hawkins. Here's the white hanky, 1 to go. Conniff trying to bring it home. Whoa, look out. Hawkins wiggled it in again. Hillary to the bottom. They're closing on Conniff, but they may not have enough time. Whoa, look at this. A brave stab by Hillary. He'll come up short. Conniff will win Heat 3. Then it's Hawkins, then it's Hillary. 4th spot will go to the 718 of Julie Heinrichs. And Kevin Collins, for his persistent efforts after getting pancaked in the opening lap, will come home 5th in the 3D. 11 car from Beloit wins the final 6 Mania Heat race of the night. He's down there. I think he honked the horn. How about it for Dallas Conniff? This is where old Pontiacs go to retire, too. We got a lot of them in the 6er class. Still selling those 50-50 raffle tickets. Make sure you get a 50-50 raffle ticket. He's out of the car already. I think he was unbuckled before he got to victory lane.